How's it going, guys, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to go ahead and get the undercarriage pressure washed on the RX-7 because we do want to start with our suspension and get it into a rolling chassis again, and then we'll probably move on to the engine bay and get everything sanded and ready for paint. If you are new, be sure to like and subscribe, smash that bell notification to be the first to watch these videos, and let's get started with today's episode. Dirty. It's looking clean though.
Oh yeah.
Try to hit it quick. Guys, we are done pressure washing. We got the undercarriage nice and clean from any oil and debris. It's not going to clog our sandpaper. So now we're going to jump under here and start roughing and sanding some of this undercarriage so our undercoating can stick.
Alright, you guys, this is the next day, and we're going to continue working on the RX-7. We got the engine bay and the underneath all sanded with the 80. Now it's time to move down to a 150 so that the primer covers all the scratches. We are going to go ahead and take the hood off because we're getting super close to taping the car and primering. We are super excited because after the undercoating and primer dries, we'll be able to throw the suspension back on and have this RX-7 rolling around the shop. Stay tuned and let's get started.
Alright you guys, so we are done sanding the engine bay and the whole undercarriage of the car. Everything looks nice and rough. So now we're going to go ahead and finish up taping the car up and spray the primer down. Stay tuned. Alright, you guys, that's a wrap for this episode. We got the engine bay primered in and it turned out great. I didn't really focus too much on the undercarriage because I am going to be spraying that in with some rocket liner texture coating to give it a nice durable finish. Also, let me know on what color we should paint the RX-7 because I am going to have to order some paint here very soon. I was thinking about a pearl white or nardo gray, but let me know your thoughts and suggestions down in the comments. With that being said, thank you guys for all the love and support. And if you haven't, be sure to like, share, and subscribe to support the channel. And smash that bell notification to see this RX-7 come back to life. Follow me on Instagram at DannyTV to get an inside sneak peek before YouTube. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.